there is HDPE pipelines. I need to take one branch on this pipe right here. First we need cleaning well, which we choose area. This is the saddle branch. The saddle branch size is 160 mm by 63 mm. That 63 mm diameter size for branch size. First we should make marking where we are going to place this, like this. This is very important. You can see the scratches. There is many scratches where we choose area to fix this branch saddle. Some of them very deep scratch. We have to fix this and we have to get clean even surface to fix this branch saddle. This is the scraper tool. This is from GF Plus. Okay, now we're going to use these scraper tools to remove all those scratches. We have to install the scraper tool behind our marking like this. Here we go. The scraper tool you have to choose according to your pipe size. Now you can see all the scratch marking has gone completely. Now we have to fix this saddle branch, tightening with the screws. Leveling as necessary according to your requirement. It's up to you. In this case, I need here planche type connection. In that regard, I am going to fix here planche adapter with ring. You can use direct pipe or male or female screw type adapter. Anyway, this is according to your situation. Tight the adapter with the screws. This is the Electrofusion welding machine. This is also from GF Plus MSA 330 model. Now enter the electrofusion detail. What's the pipe size, which kind of fittings and brand, what is the heating time, temperature and voltage. The machine has barcode reader. I like that features. When it read barcode on the pipe fittings, it will take all the detail which is required. Here I like to use manual. Shall we start? Welding is processing. There is nipple, you can see it. When it electrofusion work completed, successful, that nipple will come out like this. See this. Now we successfully completed welding. There is cooling time. The cooling time depends on your pipe fittings. Fittings itself mentioned by manufacturer what will be the cooling period. You have to wait until it gets completed. Now we have to make hole on the pipe to get the branch out. Completed. This is the branch. Thank you for watching this video and leave your comment below.